All right, we are going to connect an antique Eico Model 377 audio generator powered by vacuum tubes to, a little bit later, still an antique possibly, Yokogawa DL1200A 4-channel digital oscilloscope. All right, we're going to boot the oscilloscope, and we've got the probe set to the front panel for a square wave for calibration. After it boots up, we'll move the probes over to the Eico. Let's switch the Eico on to get it ready. Waiting for the scope. And we should have a nice square wave appearing on the screen. And there it is. Great. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the ground and the probe. We're going to move those. First, let's hang this on the corner here. Out of the way so it doesn't fall. Alright. And we're going to connect the ground to J2 and this lead wire, the probe, if I get it on here, to J1. And now you can see we have a nice sine wave, a little curvy. And the bottoms of the wave, they may be of a little flatness. I think that might be because our audio generator is not ground isolated. We need an isolation transformer for that. We don't have one. We're not going to worry about that now. It's not an issue for this test. Let me see if we vary the frequency as well as the amplitude. We can change the signal and the appearance on the scope. The highest band, D, it seems to be a bit much. It's really crowded. If we bring it back, yeah, it just doesn't. I mean, it's like, wow. You can actually blank the screen. There's so much signal. But if we go back, well, that was kind of neat. Look at that. There's a symmetry, a little bit of a, it's like getting into harmonics. Okay, we're going to go back to something we can see. A clearer resolution. There we go. Alright, so that's our sine wave.